Hello everyone, welcome to the HardReset channel, and today I'm going to show you how to adjust the volume of your Hollyland Lark M2 wireless microphone. So the first thing that we're going to do is open the Lark Sound app and then connect the receiver and take out the microphone. So both of those items need to connect. And now that they have connected, we're going to find our microphone in the Lark Sound app. Click on it. It's going to open up this like settings menu where you can control all of the features on your microphone. So now that we have a mic connected, we can adjust the volume by selecting one of these volume adjustment options. So 1 is the quietest, and then 2 is louder, as you can see, and 3 is like the loudest option that you can get. So select any option that fits you, and it will save automatically and you can start using it. So that's about it. Thank you for watching. I hope this video helps, and make sure to like and subscribe.